Today we're showing you how to replace and inspect your air filter on your Himalayan 411. The manual recommends inspecting this at least every 3,000 miles and replacing it at the 6,000 mile mark. But really, if you're off-roading this machine and you're in dusty conditions, you're probably going to be doing it much sooner than that. So with all that said, let's go ahead and get started. If you need an air filter, we have those on our website. Just click the link in the description below. This one is from Tusk. We're also going to be using a 4mm Allen and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. On the left side of the bike, we have the air filter cover. We'll be removing these 3 screws. This one is just a dummy screw. You don't need to remove it. I'm using a 4mm Allen to do this. And then just above this screw, there's a little plastic prong that goes into a grommet. Just pull this straight out. Then underneath that side cover, we have the air filter cover. There's 3 screws holding that in place. All right, so this air filter does not actually look that dirty. We can still run this. So how you check that is, one, obviously if the inside of this area is just caked with dirt, just replace it. But with this one not being that dirty, we can make some inspections. So we can hold this up to the light, look up through here, and if you see a lot of light coming through, then that means it's not caked up yet, and we should be good to use it as long as the paper's not damaged. So you want to look around on the air filter, make sure the paper's not torn, make sure there's no damage to the rubber areas either. And we are actually going to reuse this. The next thing we're going to do is make sure the air box is nice and clean. So if you see a ton of dirt down inside of here, then you need to figure out where the leak is coming from. So if the air filter looked good, you could have an issue with your cap sealing. So there's a little rubber seal on this outside. Make sure that's in good condition. And to help prevent leaks, you can use a little bit of grease right here. And you can also use just a little bit of grease where this cap seals onto the air filter. Now I'm going to make sure the air box and the filter cap are clean. I am going to apply just a little bit of grease to those areas and reinstall the filter. Line up the index pin on the air box with the hole in the lid. Then secure the lid in place with the 3 screws. After that, we can reinstall our side panel. All right, so there you have it. That's how easy it is to replace the air filter on your Himalayan 411. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And if you need any maintenance items for your bike, head over to our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.